Whirlpool 7.5 kilograms fully automatic top-loading washing machine. 360 degree Bloomwash Ultra 7.5 Pearl Wine. 360 degrees Bloomwash Ultra 7.5 Pearl Wine. 2 years warranty on product and 10 years on the prime mover. 360 Bloomwash moves clothes in a unique 360 tumble motion to give you the best cleaning and care results. Inbuilt heats wash water to remove up to 50 tough stains and give 99.9% allergen-free clothes. 6th Sense Tumble Care 6th SENSETumble Care Technology, with its unique blooming motion, senses the load and washes them in a unique 360 tumble motion to give you the best cleaning performance. Removes 50 tough stains. The combination of the inbuilt heater and the superior wash technology removes up to 50 tough stains. 99.9% allergen protection. Get 99.9% allergen-free wash through the inbuilt heater. DynaMix Technology ensures proper mixing of detergent so that there is no detergent residue left on clothes. Acidic, smart diagnostic senses the voltage levels and water pressure in the tap. Detergent savings senses the load and fabric type and gives the detergent dosage required. Automatic removal of lint after every wash. Wash gushes through the lint filter, removing the lint accumulated during wash. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.